Today I'm going to talk about the View Frequency File button. As you can see, I already have my MagRez plugged in. There's my serial number. And when I plugged it in, it automatically came to this. If it doesn't, I could go to Detect Device, and it's going to find my device. And it's going to, again, tell me it's a MagRez. It's going to give me the serial number. And it's going to show me the programs that I already have loaded on this MagRez. And for instance, I only have these, 5 programs loaded on. What's neat about this is I can look through here and check all the frequencies. I can change it to the next program, see all the frequencies. I can do that with each one of these. So that's very handy if you're looking for a certain frequency that you either want to get rid of or you're making sure it's in there. Notice that nothing's in my compiler right now because I'm not loading the device. I'm just playing with the software. Now, if I wanted to, I can come over here to allergy and send it to the editor. And all of a sudden, here's my programs. I can hit that file. I can edit a file. We're using the test person, and I'm going to edit the file. Now notice there's the allergy. I can come in here and delete a line. I can change a cell, and I can go and change this whole program all from one page. I don't have to keep opening it up and closing it. If you wanted to take out 40s or if you wanted to take out 970s, I can change that to a different number and then save it to my frequency bank, or I can just add to the compiler and send it over to the compiler. I'm going to X out of this because my other option is I can come over to my frequency file and I can send it to my compiler. Now notice there's nothing in the compiler right now. Send these to my compiler. So let's say I have a MR72 or a 272B and I wanted to load the exact same programs. I can just unplug my MagRez, plug in my MR72, transfer to device, and I'd have all these same programs in one click, all on my MR72 or my 272B. Notice I have my compiler has 5 programs. It's ready to transfer. I could save it to the client. Of course, when I do transfer, it's going to ask me for the person, it's going to ask me for the patient or the client, and proceed with the loadings, which I'll show you in the next video on the compiler page. But as far as view frequency files, that's all there is on this page. Thank you.